Now, how do you change the camera photo extension on the iPhone? So you probably noticed that when you capture the photos, you can see that they are either JPEG or HEIC format. So in order to change that, you need to open up the settings app of your iPhone and then find the camera section from the main list. Tap on camera right here, and I want you to just click on the format section. And even though it doesn't specifically mention the extensions right here, this is what needs to be changed. So it can either be most compatible or high efficiency. High efficiency is going to be probably a better quality, but it's going to be in the HEIC format, which is not ideal for a lot of people. It's like the iPhone format. And that's why there is the most compatible option as well, which is going to capture the photos in a JPEG format. JPEG is obviously very compatible. It works literally everywhere. So if you want to change your photos to JPEG, just pick most compatible instead of the high efficiency. If you don't want to use your photos anywhere else, just on your phone, then high efficiency might be a good choice for you. But this is basically the only way how you can change it inside of the settings. Other way would only be converting it, but that's like a whole different process. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one. And I will catch you later in the next videos.